This charming Nature's Hideaway home is nestled within the perfect setting of wooded nature preserves and is ready for your large or growing family to call home. The home sits towards the back of a deep wooded lot, providing privacy and tranquility. As you enter, the ceilings climb skyward with impressive height accentuated by the ceiling level windows, which let in tree-broken sunlight, casting a warmth throughout the home. Meticulously cared for and updated using only the finest of materials and craftsmanship, the home's quality is portrayed in every spacious room. The renovated kitchen boasts custom solid oak cabinets, beautiful granite countertops, breakfast bar, appliance garage, wine rack, under cabinet lighting, glass top stove, a spacious kitchen dinette area, and more. The kitchen serves into a spacious family room, one of the many rooms perfect for entertaining envious guests. The family room extends into the large family den, with cathedral ceilings and pocket doors which provide an escape into the tranquil setting as you enjoy the comfort of a wood-burning fireplace and the panoramic forest view without a neighbor in sight. The spacious master bedroom has a wonderful view of the private forest and boasts tall ceilings and a large walk-in closet. The updated master bathroom has a jetted garden tub, separate shower stall, double vanity, and a private water closet. The 3 additional guest bedrooms are gracious in size and also have wonderful views of the wooded preserves. All guest bathrooms have been updated with quality granite-topped solid wood vanities. Your guests will find it difficult to tear themselves away from the large deck and paved lanai. Surrounded by tall pines, cypress, and oak trees, makes this yet another perfect and private location to entertain, with plenty of space to hold those large special events. You will feel the pride of ownership as you stroll the walkways along the lush landscaping. The charming tree-lined community of Nature's Hideaway is very family-oriented and in the sought-after Trinity area. Highly desirable school zones with Trinity Oak Elementary, Seven Springs Middle, and Mitchell High.